Have you ever thought about investing, but didn't know where to start? The idea of investing can be intimidating, especially if you're new to the world of finance. However, it doesn't have to be. Today, we're going to break down the process of investing into simple, easy to understand steps. Investing might seem like a game for the wealthy, but it's not. It's a financial strategy that can benefit everyone. The first step in the process is understanding what investing is. At its core, investing involves committing money or capital to an endeavor with the expectation of obtaining an additional income or profit. Secondly, consider your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a new home, your child's education, or maybe just looking to grow your wealth over time? Your goals will greatly influence how you invest. Next, you need to understand the basics of risk and return. All investments come with some level of risk. Typically, the higher the potential return, the higher the risk. Therefore, you need to assess your own risk tolerance. Some people can stomach the ups and downs of the stock market, while others prefer more stable investments. Now, let's talk about the types of investments. Stocks, bonds, and mutual funds are some of the most common. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Bonds are loans made to companies or the government, and mutual funds are a collection of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Creating a diversified portfolio is another crucial step. This means spreading your investments across different types of assets to reduce risk. If one investment performs poorly, others might perform well to offset the loss. Lastly, consider seeking advice from financial advisors or using online platforms that guide you through the investing process. Remember, investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and a sound strategy. So, with these steps in mind, why not start your investing journey today? Remember that every investor started somewhere, and every day you're not investing is potentially a day of growth you're missing out on. Take the plunge. Start small if you need to, but start. Your future self will thank you.